Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CRIS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And especially in this case, really does a good job of, I don't want to say showing how the chart is totally ruined, because it's not totally ruined, and I'll explain that, but how today was just a flat-out bearish day. So first off, why do I say it's not ruined? Well, the price is still maintaining above this level of support that it's maintained up above since last Friday, and that's there at 88 cents. You can see, from not yesterday, but on Friday, the bears try to press down through there, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls held, and then during the final 30 minutes here, it didn't hit exactly, but I think we can all agree, got well within the range of that, and then once again did hold. So that's why I can't sit here and say that the chart's totally ruined. It was a totally bearish day. But for the most part, the bulls started off very, very nicely. I mean, you look at the early part of the day, and the price was bouncing, and then the remainder of the day happened. And as you see, the remainder of the day was basically just the price pulling back, got a late day bounce right here, but then you can see ultimately the price rolled back over and essentially closed at the lows of where it was on Friday. So what started off as a very, very kind of bright spot for the chart with a good solid bounce, and then to see how much the price, it's not like the price had to close at highs, but even if the price had come down here and done something like this where it came down and then bounced and then at least just started to go sideways and then stayed up around here, at least that would have given, the chart, okay, well, you have a set of lows right here. You have this set of lows down there. So you have some potential stair steps at that point in time. But that didn't happen, right? The price just rolled back over and kept on going. So again, is the price totally ruined, or is the chart totally ruined? I'm not saying that. Now, if the price crashes down through 88 cents and starts separating on the downside, at that point, yeah, the bears are fully back in control. So 88 cents, very, very important level of support going forward. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, keep an eye on the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average, and is ultimately the level that knocked it down this morning. So not a great day today, but who knows, maybe some sort of double bottom bounce can happen. So we'll see what happens with it as the week unfolds. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.